I'm here with Hochi. Can you describe a little bit of what this booth is and what we're doing here?
Well, this year we have a selfie booth. And if you actually look really carefully, if you stand right here between the words and the image, and you stand back far enough, the perspective will look just right for your Instagram.
So this is an Instagrammable picture right
Exactly.
now. So Hochi, how long have you been doing the Taiwanese American Festival?
I've been with the festival for about 15, 16 years, since as long as I've lived in California.
That's very impressive, 15 years. What brings you back every year? Like what do you get out of the festival that drives you?
Well, the entire community is here. I think it's really quite important for all of us to get together, celebrate our heritage, know a little bit about our own history, teach ourselves as well as teach the community. And so I completely enjoy setting up the cultural exhibit, the main feature exhibit, which you should check out, and really share some of the history of Taiwan.
There's another exhibit with more books, right? It's right across the street.
Exhibit right next.
We'll be going there right next door in a little bit. Last question: when you go back to Taiwan, what's the first thing you have to eat?
Ooh, well, since I usually arrive early morning, got to try some breakfast foods. But I can't ever wait to get my hands on a bawang. I love the squishy QQ texture.
Making me hungry already. All right, thank you, Hochi.